Think you know your body? Well, let's challenge that knowledge today. We'll delve into the fascinating world of human anatomy, debunking common myths, and confirming some truly surprising facts. Ever wondered about the Pinocchio effect? Or why you sneeze when exposed to sunlight? And what's this about an extra rib or non-circular pupils? From the hairs on your skin to the size of your lungs, we'll explore it all. Stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of our bodies. Have you ever heard of the Pinocchio effect? It's a common myth that your nose grows when you lie, but the truth is actually that your nose temperature rises. A fascinating revelation, isn't it? Now let's talk about body hair. You might not believe it, but we humans have as many hairs on our bodies as a chimpanzee. Our hair is just much finer and less visible, making us appear less hairy. And here's an interesting fact about our lungs. Unlike identical twins, our lungs are not the same size. The right lung is larger, making room for the heart. Surprised? Now let's talk about carrots. No, they don't give you night vision, but they are packed with nutrients that are essential for your eye health. So keep munching on those carrots. Ever sneezed when exposed to sunlight? It's not just you. This is a phenomenon known as the photic sneeze reflex, and it's a quirky reaction that some people have. And while we're debunking myths, let's talk about shaving. Contrary to popular belief, shaving does not make your hair grow back thicker or darker. And did you know that our fingerprints are not entirely unique? There are people out there with similar patterns. Now, let's delve into the realm of the senses. Beyond the known 5 senses, we actually have an extra one, proprioception, or the sense of knowing where your body parts are in relation to each other. And guess what? Superhuman vision isn't just for superheroes. Some people with a condition called tetrachromacy can perceive a wider spectrum of colors. And next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just press the bridge of your nose. It's a handy trick that can help you stifle that sneeze. And remember, you can't catch up on sleep. It's safe to swim after eating, and some people even have an extra rib. So next time you're tempted to believe these myths, remember what we've just shared. The human body is a marvel of nature, and knowing more about it can only make life more fascinating. Now let's talk about some body facts that are indeed true. Have you ever noticed that one side of your chest is slightly larger than the other? That's because your right lung is larger than your left, just to make room for your heart. It's like your body's very own real estate management. And here's something to chew on. You know that sneeze that just won't come out when you step into bright sunlight? That's not a coincidence. It's actually a thing called the photic sneeze reflex. About 1 in 4 people experience it, and it's probably a genetic quirk. Now, how about this for a vision of the future? Some people, mostly women, have a condition called tetrachromacy. This means they have an extra type of cone cell in their eyes. Instead of seeing the usual 1 million colors, these lucky folks can see up to 100 million. Imagine seeing the world in 100 million colors. Next up, you know that feeling when you're about to sneeze? Try pressing the bridge of your nose. This simple trick might just save you from an awkward situation. And here's something to ponder while you're waiting for your next swim. You've probably heard that you need to wait an hour after eating before you can safely swim? Well, that's a myth. There's no scientific evidence to back it up. And finally, did you know that some people have an extra rib? It's called a cervical rib, and it's present in about 1% of the population. Isn't it fascinating to learn about these unique aspects of our bodies? The human body is a marvel of nature, filled with surprising quirks and capabilities. It's a constant reminder that we still have so much to discover and understand about ourselves. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning. Our bodies are full of surprises, aren't they? From our noses playing Pinocchio when we tell a fib, to the fact we're as hairy as chimps and have a larger right lung. We've debunked myths about carrots and night vision and discovered the photic sneeze reflex. We've marveled at the potential for enhanced vision and learned a handy trick to stop a sneeze. Drop a comment and let us know the most surprising fact you learned today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing revelations.